How to write vertical text in Google Sheets. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can change text direction on Google Sheets. In order to do this procedure, first of all check your internet connection, open up a browser, and then on the web address bar type in docs.google.com/spreadsheets. It's going to take you to the Sheets page or the Google Sheets, and here what you need to do is first of all type in the word. Maybe let's go with this one. If you want to change the text direction, what you can do is after you've done that, select the cell, and then in the top right hand side corner you can see text rotation or just the A icon with an arrow on it. Just tap on it, and after that you can see multiple options, so you can just tap on it and change the direction of the text. You can try with all of the text or the icon or the direction. So this is basically how you can do it. If you want to do the same procedure, then you can just drag it, and after that if you want to do it vertically or horizontally, what you need to do is you need to type in a sentence. First of all, let's go with and do the same procedure. That is, you can just go ahead and tap on the arrow icon located right on top, and after that you can just drag the file right over here, and that's basically how you can change the direction of your text. So in this way you can change the direction of your text. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.